Hi everybody and welcome back to my basement.
So, today we are here and we have a really special video because I found these Ishin goggles too basically, and they have a really nice screen and they have HDMI input. So I strapped them to my laptop and I'm gonna teach this girl how to fly FPV for the first time.
I'm Beatrice and I'm going to learn how to fly a drone. Hi!
So as you can see, we have Liftoff inside the goggles too. Right there is my laptop, and we are gonna see here what she sees in the goggles. And here I have my radio. Okay, so this is the first try. This is the map, it's the Russian woodpecker. And go. I already explained some of the commands, so she's able to lift off. And to actually fly somewhat decently and leveled. You're going too high, you. Nice.
Oh.
Wow, she can actually fly. And this is the first time. I mean, she tried once some days ago, what was that, months ago.
I have the Rimzler blood.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that was pretty nice actually.
Yeah.
She flew once some months ago and then... Okay, you have to lower the throttle.
Okay. No.
Oops, recover, forward.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, she is managing.
Perfect. Oops. No. Third time.
Nice. And go.
Oops.
Oops, third time wasn't so
Shit.
good. Don't say that. Okay.
No.
Come on.
Mi sono scordata. Questo qua. This.
Ma che sta a fare? C'è riuscita la prima botta? Vai, spara in alto e vai.
Aspetta.
No. Okay, so she's flying. I'm gonna leave her here and I'm gonna go back and I'm working on the Dyson right now, so that's what I'm gonna do while she flies right there.
Hi.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we didn't actually ended up using this thing because it doesn't work. It worked for like 3 minutes, then maybe it's not charged. I don't know, it doesn't work. So also my laptop is not really powerful, it's old and it cannot work on two screens. It actually cannot work on one screen at all, so
Quando la partita? Devi mettere il video che abbiamo fatto per prima per ultimo. E fa finta che questo. E fa finta che questo sia quello. Aspetta, arrivo.
Gas, gas, gas. Bene, bene, bene.
Okay, so we're done for today with the simulator. I may later try the little Mobula 6.
Oh.
She really likes it. And so, how was the experience?
It was hard, but I'm learning, so I'm happy.
Again. So, that's it for today. See you in the next episode of Beatrice learns how to fly FPV.
Yeah.
And goodbye.
Hi.